The download of experiment data from a BioLector XT microbioreactor and upload to the BioLector 5 software from your local PC are simple. First, select the device from the device's menu you want to transfer data from. Navigate to the Experiments menu and select Download to open the Download/Delete Experiments window. This is where all experiment data saved on the selected BioLector XT device are listed. There, choose Desired Files and select Download. Indicate the path to save the data to. It's also possible to download or open multiple result files at once. You may also open experiment data generated on any BioLector XT device that is saved to your computer in the BioLector 5 software. Select Open and choose the path to open the experiment file from. The file will have a zip format.